Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're in the yard with the tender. We're going to be doing a bottom paint job on our 31-foot Robalo for our tender. I'm gonna kind of walk you through how we're doing it. It's gonna be my first time, so don't expect this to be a perfect video. We're gonna be showing you how we're gonna do it. So first we're gonna go ahead and tape the water line so we can get to sanding. So we have the motors trimmed up, have the bottoms taped, underwater lights. I'm gonna do a little bit more of the bracket, but we're gonna actually paint it with a different paint other than the bottom paint. So it's gonna be anti-foul, but it has no copper in it. So I am going to go ahead and get suited up and get on to sanding. Okay, so we are going to hit the bottom paint with 80 grit and just work our way all the way down. What we're gonna be doing is just scuffing the paint and getting a lot of the big like barnacles off and everything, but just like sanding down a layer so that the next layer of paint can have something to stick to. So this is still, again, this is my first time doing it, but this is what I've been told to do. So let's get to it. Taping up the motor mounts, making sure that we're not getting any bottom paint inside of the pistons and whatnot, making it look clean and retaping some of the spots that we've missed like this. So I'm going to finish taping up the motor mounts and the rest of the boat, and then we are going to be putting 2 layers of paint on, one before lunch, one after lunch, and that should be the job. So we'll see. Okay, so now we are applying our second coat to the bottom. We just did the engines, so now we're going to be putting our bottom coat, our dark blue, onto the whole second coat, and we are done. Okay, so we have completely finished painting the boat. Now I'm going to do the satisfying part of pulling off all of the tape. Bingo, nice, clean, crisp line. That's what we like to look out for. And we're going to be wrapping up the day, calling it for doing the bottom of this tender. Okay, so just like that, we're back in the water. Bottom is all done, sanded, and 2 layers of paint. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, and comment. It really helps me out, get the channel going. So I will see you guys in the next video.